Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can visit the safety center of Facebook. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook app on your device. Now, log into your account if you haven't already. Next, tap on the hamburger menu and then select Safety. Here, you can find Visit the Safety Center option. Tap on it and that's it. You will be now directed to the Safety Center of Meta. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.